Beginning September 12, 2022, the Oklahoma Horse Racing Commission will adopt the Category One interference rules. Oklahoma is the first racing jurisdiction in North America to implement Category One, which is used in nearly all international racing jurisdictions. These new interference rules for Oklahoma will change how stewards determine if a demotion is warranted. Under the old rules, known as Category 2, if a horse interfered with a rival at almost any point in a race, and the stewards believed that the horse that suffered the interference may have been cost a better placing, the horse that caused the interference could be demoted and placed behind the horse that suffered the interference. With Category 1, the question the stewards consider regarding interference changes. If the stewards determine interference occurred, they now must identify if the horse that suffered the interference would have finished ahead of the horse that caused the interference had the incident never happened. Here is an example. The number 3 horse rallies inside of number 2 late in the stretch. But under the old rules, number 3 was demoted for drifting out and making contact with number 2. As the number 2 horse finished third, the stewards believed this incident cost number 2 a better placing. Thus, number 3 was demoted from first and placed third behind number 2. Under Category 1 rules, this incident would not have warranted a demotion. Interpreting the new rule, the stewards could believe that if the interference had not occurred, number 2 would still not have finished ahead of number 3. Therefore, the results would remain unchanged. To ensure safety of all horses and jockeys, the new rules include an important provision regarding dangerous riding. If the stewards determine a jockey to have ridden carelessly, the jockey is susceptible to a penalty. Should the stewards believe a jockey has ridden dangerously, the stewards have the power to totally disqualify a horse, that is, remove the horse from placings and place it last. While such instances are rare across jurisdictions, using Category 1, it is a penalty which can be applied at the discretion of the stewards. Category 1 interference rules will begin in Oklahoma at Remington Park on September 14th and apply to all Oklahoma tracks going forward.